Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this salon blowout look. I'm literally obsessed. Look how good my hair looks. I'm obsessed. So if you want to know how to get this easily, watch my video. My hair is damp right now. It's kind of been air drying for a little bit. And the first step is Wow Dream Coat stuff. This stuff actually is amazing. Now what I'm going to do is blow dry my hair until it's like about 80% dry. After I spray that stuff in, it makes your hair so much easier to brush out. It's literally insane. It looks absolutely insane. So I'm going to go through with a round brush and just kind of smooth it out with the blow dryer. And then we're going to get into like the blowout look. But I find this so much easier not starting with your head fully wet. I feel like that's a mistake that a lot of people make because you're literally going to be there all day trying to like do the blowout look. You know what I mean? Okay, so now that it's kind of smoothed out, I'm going to go in with my brush. This is a Fremar brush and I literally love these brushes. They're my favorite. They're way better than the wet brushes. I'm just letting y'all know, and it's like $9.99 for one brush. Also, there's a ton of hair in it. Don't judge. Make sure I don't really have any knots. Second favorite products. First, the Wow stuff. But this stuff literally makes your hair last for so long. Honestly, just sent me this whenever they sent me the curling iron. So I don't like the curling iron, but I love this product. It's literally so good. So this is the Beach Waver Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. It's in like a light pink bottle. And I love the spray. You can ready? It's so fine. So fine. So, but I'm going to be going over it with the hairdryer a lot, so I really need like a good heat protectant on here. And having it mixed with a hairspray, you're getting like a hairspray prep almost. Because I'm going to hairspray my hair after, but this is going to like help it set. So, you're getting like the under part of your hair too. Now I look even more crazy. I'm going to brush my hair out again. Time to do all of the hard work. And I'm going to show you all the things I'm using. So I'm using like the smaller one. It's like that size. I'm going to be using a mix of rollers from this collab, the Lexi Hair and Acquired Style collab, and then also some Amazon ones. Honestly, because they got all mixed up and I don't know which is which, so I'm just going to say I'm using both. 3 brushes I'm going to be using. I'm going to start in the back of my head just because I feel like it's easier. If you start in the front, then it's hard to reach the back because you have rollers like sitting on the front of your head and then it's hard. So I'm going to start leaving like a chunk in the back. So here, and honestly the back of my hair is not my problem because I'm not going to be seeing it, but I'm going to make it look as good as I can, but I'm not going to like panic myself about it. So I'm going to use like the bigger rollers towards the back of my hair just because it's easier and it's so hard to reach, and then your arms start killing you. It's just a whole mess. Okay, so I've got my first section of hair. I'm going to take a big roller and I'm going to push it all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to roll it, and I'm kind of over directing the hair. And I know hair is falling off the roller. I don't care because it's the back. Okay, so now I got like the back of my head done and I don't have to worry about it. Now it's the front, and this actually matters. On this side of my hair. And I'm going to go in with my smaller round brush. This one is also from the Acquired Lexi Hair collab. So all the way to the end. Make sure the end is smooth, and then you're going to roll. And keeping it tight is the best. So I've got my first one on this side, and I figured out that this is the easiest way for me to do it, is to copy, literally. So if I do one on this side, I do one on this side right after it, so that I'm not like doing all of this and then forgetting what steps I did for the other side, and then they match. So yeah, that's a hack. And like also let it set on your hot brush for like a couple seconds and then twist it out, and then you're going to place the roller right back in its place. The ends, that's what your ends should look like, and then rolling it up. So now I got two. They both look a little bit different, but it's fine. This one. So I'm going to do one underneath, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Behind my ear. So all this hair behind my ear, I don't care about as much. It starts here, then I'm like, I gotta make sure it's perfect. So, and then grab your blow dryer. It out, and then I'm going to be rolling this one under, so it's going to be just directly straight to my head like that. That roller. Okay, next one, so I'm going to do this same little section that I did. I look crazy. Okay, so take your round brush, and this one I'm going to do the same thing and be round brushing it under. So when I'm doing this, I'm really turning my wrist here and trying to get that wave underneath because I love the way that looks. So yeah, I'm going to do this with the blow dryer, just like that thing. Making sure my ends are completely smoothed out. Ah! And then rolling it straight to my head. And then taking a clip. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now I only have my front two pieces. Lump these into one. And I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller roller than I have been. And I like to have my hair going back away from my face. I have played around with it kind of going towards your face. And going towards your face works better if you have a little bit shorter of a front pieces. But mine are getting pretty long, so I'm going to go back away from my face. Blow drying it like this. And then also like this. I don't know if y'all get that, but you will in a sec. But I'm going to let this sit for probably around 15 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the longer it's going to last. But I don't have all day, so probably around 15 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and see how it looks. So I'll be back after they've set. Okay, so it's been around like 15 to 20 minutes, and now it's time to take them out. And I'm not going to lie, this always makes me a little nervous. That is like an ultimate fail. Take them out, twist them. Okay. Okay, now, okay, let's do this one. Cute. Are y'all ready? So good. Okay, before I touch anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with hairspray, and then we can kind of like mess with it. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I need to find my little wide tooth comb. Okay guys, here's the finished products. I'm literally obsessed. This is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, this is my tutorial on how to get this like salon blowout look. I love it because it looks so like just effortless. So getting like so long. And I'm so blonde right now. I literally love this. Like this is so cute. So yeah, that's my tutorial. Now look at the mess that I have. It's actually insane. But shout out to Acquired Style for getting me like started on this. I think it's been around like 2-ish years since I first watched one of her videos, and then I became like obsessed with the whole rollers thing, and now it's just kind of been like a phase I go in and out of. But I literally love this. So I'm obsessed. Look how good it looks. Look. It's so good. So good. So yeah. I love it being this loose. People have different preferences. If you want it to be like a more of a tighter curl, you also probably wouldn't want to brush it out, and then you probably would want to use smaller rollers like this. But I'm obsessed. I use like all these sizes. Yeah, so these are like the sizes I used. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. You can comment any questions that you might have about my hairstyle, anything, or comment video ideas to make because I'm kind of running out of ideas. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. Bye guys.